Okay, this is part 2 of the answer key for the review. When we're doing this, we were using waterfall to get rid of the brackets, and all you're doing is distributing the plus sign to both things in the second bracket. The first bracket has nothing in front of it, so I just have to rewrite it and then do the bracket thing. So the waterfall would make it plus 8x squared plus 2x. And then collect your like terms. That's the same, and that's the same. So you would get 11x squared and negative 2x, and that's your answer. Okay, on the next one, you've got do waterfall of that one, and then that plus does that one and that one. So you got to do it twice. The first one's already done. So you would just write 5n squared minus 2n. Then it would become plus 3n squared. Now this and this make a minus. Okay, and then the last one would be plus 6n minus 1, because that and that make a minus again, because plus minus makes negative. And then collect your like terms. Those are the same. That's the same. And those are the same. So the circles would turn into, where is it? 8n squared. The triangles would be positive 4n. The numbers or the squares would just be negative 5. Done. Okay, the next one, I recommend to rewrite this out as 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4c plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5c. And then do the flying arrows 3 times. So that should be 2x squared plus 5c. Okay, and then finally when you collect the like terms, you would have 5x cubed, positive 1 or just x squared, and then positive 1c, or just c. And that's it. On the last one, you need to rewrite it, and I ran out of space here, so just note your answer. I'm just going to quickly erase it, just so we have space. Okay, on this one, you would just get this, and I'm just going to distribute it like that. So it'd be negative 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 9. And the x cubes would be negative 7x cubed, negative 4x squared, and positive 7 should be your answer for that. Okay, on to the next page. These ones, same thing. You're just applying the waterfall. And remember, this would mean negative, and positive negative ends up being negative anyways. Collect your like terms. Now, if you do x minus x, that's the same as 1x minus 1x. You have no x's left, so you have nothing, or 0x. 4 minus 2 would be positive 2. Now, if you have 0 x's, it means you have 0. So this is the same as 0 plus 2, or just 2. So either one's right. I'll accept that or that. Okay, for B, the first one's good, but the second one you've got to do the waterfall. Now, negative negative makes a positive, and that's the same for both. So you would get negative 1x and negative 2 for your answer. And then on C, the first one's good, but the second one will be positive 2x squared. Negative negative makes a positive x, and negative makes positive 1. Okay, so the x squareds would turn into negative 4x squared. The x's would turn into positive 5x, and the numbers would be negative 8. Last page, same thing. Please rewrite, it's just better. So it looks like that. Distribute, and you'll get, whoops. Oh, I forgot a k on this here. Like that. Then you'd be left with 3k squared and positive 6k. Okay, let's see if I can squeeze this guy in the last part. Same thing. If I rewrite it down here, I'm going to get 8m squared plus 6m minus 5 negative 6m squared, whoops, plus 4m minus 4. Do your flying arrows to distribute the signs, and you would get positive 6m squared minus or negative 4m and positive 4. Okay, simplify it, you get 14m squared, positive 2m, and negative 1. Okay, that's the review. You can go back, check your work at any time, see how you did, and then we'll move on to the next lesson.